You know, all I can think of is this song that's playing in my head. I like big butts, I cannot lie. You know, that plays over and over in my head every time I look at this car. But scoot down and you scoot down, you scoot down. We're gonna give you some B-roll of how wide these tires are. That's why the flare is here. What did you do? What is going on here?
The rear end was widened by putting on new fenders, so it has flares on it, and it's able to tuck in the 345s that are underneath it.
There's nothing wrong with fattening up your vet, all right? A little bit of chub, because when you see how wide these tires are, you're gonna know that this flare side, I'm a pickup guy. You guys know I love trucks and whatnot, but this is a flare side like no other side, and it's beautiful. Tell me about the color.
The color is original color. It's the red that came on it back in 2000.
I gotta bring it down just for a second. This makes me think that if Santa had a sled and it was a Corvette, it would be this beautiful color. This is your headlights to your tailpipes. I mean, yeah, well, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's Josh. It's freezing out here. I'm just warming up. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. You're watching the headlights to the tailpipes. A kit, a kit, a kit, a kit, a kit, a cat, a kit. I'm not sure.